cleaning my house between stays and gets hurt or picks up COVID, what is my liability and will my insurance cover that?
That's a great question. And what I always tell people is it boils down to having two options, okay? So let's use mowing the lawn as an example, or cleaning your house. You have two options. You can hire ABC Cleaning Incorporated to clean your house, a licensed and insured business, right? Or you can hire the neighborhood kid to mow your lawn and clean your vacation rental. Just a random kid and pay him cash, okay? That is the answer, or that is the question. You always have to verify that your vendors, people that are helping you with your business, are licensed and insured. Because if you do that, their work comp will cover that. So let's say you hire ABC Cleaning Incorporated, right? They come over to your house, one of the cleaners falls down the stairs, they get injured, it turns into this big mess. ABC Cleaning Incorporated has workers' compensation insurance, which means it will provide insurance coverage for a plethora of things for people who are injured on the job, right? Wonderful, end of story. Wait. But there's a lot of people who hire the neighborhood kid. So what happens then? You decide, you know what, I'm not gonna do ABC Incorporated Inc. The neighborhood kid is half the cost, and he's gonna clean my house, and he is going to mow the lawn. The neighborhood kid falls down the stairs, gets seriously injured. The neighborhood kid's parents sue you. They say, he got injured on your stairs, I'm suing you. The whole question comes down to, and this is a state issue, was that kid a casual laborer or was he an employee? Okay? So if that kid has been cleaning your house every week for the entire year, he's an employee in the state of California. You're not going to have any insurance coverage because homeowners insurance does not cover work comp, and that is a work comp issue. So technically, you should have that kid as an employee of your business, pay him a W-2, and have work comp insurance. That's a big, big issue, okay? Now, if it was a random one-time thing, ABC Cleaners Incorporated got COVID, and they said, I can't clean your property, we're out for 2 weeks. And you call your neighborhood kid, and you say, hey, can you just run over and do the laundry and clean and take care of the property, right? He's injured. Is he an employee or is he not? No, he's a casual laborer. He was someone who you randomly said, can you go over and rake the leaves? Typically a non-issue, right? Super important. So if someone is regularly cleaning your property, you have two options. Either they carry work comp because they're a legitimate business and they're licensed and insured, or you carry work comp. That's it. This is a big, big issue. And there's a lot of litigation surrounding this in all kinds of states all over the US because people and governments are upset at companies for treating people like independent contractors. Uber is a great example, right? They're saying, no, everybody's 1099. California's coming out saying, no, they need to be W-2 employees. This isn't fair. They need health insurance. They need these types of things. The fact that you're telling them they're all independent contractors is ridiculous. You have an obligation, right? So the same goes for you as a vacation rental owner. It's a really hot topic.
Great. Thanks so much, Darren.